What we've got here is a 1953 Willy's F-head 4-cylinder. It's like a half flathead. The exhaust valve is in the block, and they move the intake valve up into the head. So it's kind of a weird hybrid. This thing here came in, needed valves, and I put guides in it and put a hard seat unleaded conversion. Just finished the seats. I actually did them on an IDL machine. This IDL is actually, it's a Van Norman, but they're all IDLs. This one here has got the Vera speed. It's got a Reeves drive, which is kind of rare. It's got the adjustable height on the column, which is rare. This is a super rare machine. And it's got the centering for the hold down. See, it's got the quick centering. It's kind of got some cool features to it. I've had a few of these machines, and this one here is like the coolest one yet, because it's basically variable speed. And you know, I put it on here, and basically I can hold it with the clamp. If the block is heavy enough where it won't move, but you know, I've got a 5/8 pilot that goes in there, and I'm cutting my seat, and it just sits on its pan rail, and I can kind of lock it down with that clamp. Just kind of be careful, and you could, you know, you can do 4-cylinder flathead work on an IDL. There's no reason why you can't. You just got to pay attention. And this is the finished product. And now I just got to basically grind the seats, you know, valve job it, and that's it. This job's done. I ended up milling the deck. It was really rusty. You can still see the pitting, and that's, you know, as far as I'm going to go. It's not going to clean up because it's the staining from rust, but and I ended up honing the cylinders. It's I think it's 30 over. It's already got 4 sleeves in it. Who knows the history of the friggin' thing, but that's it. So you can get this stuff done on old machines. You just got to kind of use your head and pay attention.